Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and good morning to all my decorating friends. Now today it's going to be a rainy day, so I've decided that I'm going to do some DIY projects, and I'm super excited because what I'm making today I'm going to give away. So stay tuned because at the end I'm going to tell you how you can win my DIY project. These are the items you'll need for your project today. Now I have two oval signs that I got at Hobby Lobby for $1.99. Then you're going to need some paint. Now I like to use an off-white or a beige color because I am going to use the black lettering and I think that looks the best. So I have some leftover chalk paint and you'll need a paintbrush. Now this lettering here I got for $7.99. It wasn't on sale, but I got it at Hobby Lobby, and you do have several sheets and different size lettering, so you can get a lot of projects out of that. And then over here we have our planner. I guess this is like some kind of hook. You can hang a planner from it, but we're going to hang our sign from this. You can find any of these hooks over at Home Depot or Lowe's, but these came from Hobby Lobby and I think those are priced at $5.99. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and paint our sign. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure you stir your paint real well. So let's go ahead and paint our sign. When you're all done painting your sign, you'll want to leave it dry for a few minutes, and then you're going to come back and then we're going to do the other side. My paint's all done drying. Now I want to tell you why I love chalk paint. It would have been fun to paint this a dark color, then we could have added a lighter shade on top. So once it's done drying, you want to take your sandpaper and sand it to get a nice smooth finish and take out any imperfections in the paint. Then you also take your sandpaper along the edges and you can bring out the darker color from underneath, so that would give it a whole new look. And then afterwards you want to put a clear coat on there. Now any clear coat would work. You can use a polyacrylic from Home Depot or Lowe's and that'll work just as well. But I had some leftover top coat that I'm going to use. So after I do that, we're going to go ahead and get our lettering and we're going to spell out the word bath. I'm going to use the capital B, and then I have the A, and then underneath I have a T and an H. I'm going to cut these out ahead of time and lay them across my sign to make sure they're nice and straight before I stick them on. So I went ahead and arranged my lettering on my sign so it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and peel them off now and put them on my sign. So now let's go ahead and do the other side. Now that my sign is all done, I want to tell you about the hanger. You're going to need 4 screws to attach this to your wall just before your bathroom door. And then you need this little piece here. You can get this at any hardware store, a Lowe's or Home Depot. This is going to attach to the middle of your sign, and then this is what's going to hold your sign on to your hanger. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is what the bath sign looks after you hang it. Now mine is just outside the door frame up at the top, and I use 4 screws to hold it in. And of course on the back side it also says bath, so when you're coming out of one of the bedrooms you can see it from the back and from the front. Hey guys, want to tell you how you can win this bath sign. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my video, and then whoever watches the video will need to make a comment, or if you're new to my channel you'll need to subscribe, and I'm going to let the contest run for 1 full day, and then I will pick a winner. Now I'm actually going to have 2 winners, but the first winner will be able to choose between a bath or an office sign. And then I'm going to make a separate video announcing the winners. So good luck to everyone, and until next time, happy decorating!